Push Tech. We want to continue from our last lecture where I told you that we would want to get 68E. The coverage is very wide. See the coverage that is displayed above. It covers Asia, Africa, Europe. That's all, not up to America. So the idea is to use this to get the KU. The KU is a popular satellite. It has KU and it has C-band. The KU is what some people call my TV in Nigeria, some call it church channels. While the C-band is majorly of Sony TV Indian. Free Al Jazeera is there. It has a lot of powerful, and those who have some buses can have access to it also. So we want to see how to combine them. Our major aim is we've got the signal KU. The KU we use the 12722 vertical 3000, 12722 vertical 30,000 for the KU, and this is what we use in our last video. This for the KU. KU you use this is a KU. It's the same dish, just remove this holder. So we have removed the KU holder and we have placed the C-band holder. So this is the C-band. So if it is difficult for you to do, first of all track with the KU. When you get the signal of the KU, remove it and place this LNB holder of the C-band. That's all. But in final conclusion, we want to see, instead of, because combining both of them is possible because it's the same thing, 68E, C and KU. So what this LNB does, instead of you, now there's no how we can combine this C and this K in the same place. Not possible. So what we do, we need a dual LNB that has a CU, sorry, a KU and a C band. So at the end of the day, what this would have done separately and this would have done separately, this one, this LNB will give you the KU and the C band inside it, so you have more channels across Africa, Europe and Asia. So stay tuned. So we finally got the track for the KU band. So I've got the signal for the KU. So this is what I got. So this is the KU band. So let's quickly do a blind search and see what will come up. So the idea is to use a single LNB that has the KU and the C band, combine both. Then you enjoy both of them instead of getting two big dishes or a big dish and a small dish. This one will serve. It will serve and it will serve very, very well. So you combine both the C band and the KU band under a single LNB-F. So this is what we got. Remember, more are still coming. I'm not really doing a fine tune, so you can do your fine tune over there and get your many channels to pop up. Still coming up. Still coming up. Still coming up. I do my fine tune, I'll get a lot of more than this. This one is just a single TP search or a blind search. The blind search, but more channels are coming up. Okay, so this is it. So this is how we do it. Keep adjusting until you get both of them being fixed. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share this video. We'll see you in our next lecture. Bye bye. If you take notice, this after you've done finally track, you get two cord. One cord will be for the C band, the other cord will be for this one, the KU band. Take note. Then you will now use a dissect with a dissect switch. You can put this one in port 2 and put this in port 2, combine both of them. You can say this one, this two, and take it down. Not a single LNB. Take note, not a single cord we use. You use two cords. One cord will be for the is the KU and this is the C band. Take note, C band, KU, two different cord. Another cord will come like this. You put a dissect, then you take it to your receiver after you've done your final setup. You want to track the C band using 4064 horizontal, then the 19850 symbol rate is 19850. The frequency is 4064 horizontal. So this is the we've got it. We want to see if we can, cameraman, can you see it from here? So just point here. So we want to see how we can get it. Can come down, get close. So we just see the signal. So we've got 72. It's fluctuating. Let's see if I can adjust it from this side and see. So it's at reduce. Let me go at further adjustments. It has increased. So this is the one for the C band. Let's quickly do a quick search and let's see the number of channels we get. Let's do a blind search. So while we are doing the blind search, let's just quickly go through what we've done now. So see, this is the dish. Please take note of it. This is how it is. Now, I believe the more I'll take it up, I can get up to 90 because it's not facing. How will I put it now? How many o'clock will I call this now? Let's look at where the thing is. Should I say this is it's like it's 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock? I don't know. Look at it properly. Look at it. It's not facing here. It's not facing here because I did it with facing down. It didn't peak. I did it here. It didn't peak. So I had to do it like this and it peaked. So that you won't stress yourself. This is how it look like. So that is how it look like. At least take note of this LNB holder here. I left the first hole. I use the second hole. I left the first hole. I use the second hole. So there's no how you if you use the first hole, by using the second hole here, please use it for all of them. Don't use first hole here. Don't use second hole here. Then use first hole here. Then you use another one here. You must, if you are using the second hole, you use the second hole for all of them. By using the first hole, you use the first hole. Another thing you should notice is this place. You should make sure that it is focusing on this place. Don't push this thing out of the focus. So take note. So this is the final setup for that. Final setup. Just the same way your KU band will be. So let's quickly go back again and see what we've got. What we've got so far. So I look at the back. Please give us tape rule. Let's measure the tape. Then we're going to use the tape rule to measure it and see from behind. Bring it quick. Hold this cameraman, hold this for me. So for those who wish to know, this is a 2.4 meter dish. Take note, 2.4 meter dish. So take from this place down to this place, down to this place. Bring it closer. Bring it closer. Bring it closer. What do we have here? Let me see. So we have 5 feet. We have 5 feet. They have 5 feet. 5 feet is the length. 5 feet. So that is it. So after getting your 5 feet, we're still scanning. We go back to our scan and see. Please take note of that this is only the C band. So after we finish our tracking, we are going to get the other LNB, the LNB that has both the C band and the C band and the KU band. We're going to use it to combine. Let's see what we have here. We have chance. We have ocean is there are not working. Okay, I think I got I saw something like Dost. This is China. I saw Dost. Yeah, it's a very nice channel. That's cartoon for kids. Then what do we have again? Let's see if the Jazeera. I do see Jazeera before. Let me use alphabetically to get it. Alphabetically Jazeera, because of some of you have said you need Jazeera, so I think with this one you have Jazeera. Jazeera should be there. So get it up alphabetically again. A. Jazeera's frequency was what we use in searching for it. Jazeera is here English. So for those of you like Jazeera, there are a whole lot of them. For those of you that have a powerful enabled decoder, you will get more. You will get more access to most of the channels here. So this is how we do it. So we're going to use this other LNB now. This other LNB that has KU and C band, that long LNB there. We are going to use it now to combine both. We're going to go and use this LNB to combine both the KU and the C band. Stay tuned.